Hey Tech fam, and welcome back to TechUnboxedMx. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey as we dive headfirst into the captivating realm of voice assistants, which is our third top 5 YouTube video is today. At this very moment, we have a delightful surprise in store for you as we embark on a whimsical journey to discover the top 5 voice assistants in the enchanting year of 2023. Get ready to be charmed as we unveil these magical companions who are here to make your life extraordinary. Prepare yourself for an exhilarating adventure into the realm of virtual companions, where we explore their awe-inspiring prowess in natural language processing, seamless integration with various devices, and an extraordinary array of captivating features. Join us as we embark on this extraordinary journey, exploring uncharted territories of virtual companionship and uncovering the boundless possibilities they hold. Gear up and embrace a world where technology and companionship intertwine in ways that will leave you marveled and astonished. Be ready to get mesmerized and let us jump right in and uncover the absolute cream of the crop. In this ever-evolving digital age, allow me to shed light on how voice assistants have seamlessly woven themselves into the fabric of our daily lives. These incredibly helpful and intuitive companions have become an indispensable part of our routines, effortlessly assisting us with tasks and providing instant access to a wealth of information. Whether we need to set reminders, play our favorite tunes, or even just ask a burning question, voice assistants are there, ready to lend a helping, quote-unquote, voice. Goddesses of geekdom and nerdy unboxers, prepare to uncover the top 5 voice assistants of 2023, the creme de la creme of AI companions. Based on an extensive evaluation of various factors, including natural language processing capabilities, device compatibility, and a range of intriguing features, we have meticulously crafted this list just for you. Coming in hot at number 1, we have the ever-popular Amazon Alexa. With its vast integration with smart home devices, Alexa has become the ultimate queen of convenience. Next up, we have the mighty Google Assistant. With its unparalleled ability to understand our commands and provide accurate responses, it has certainly earned its spot as the second reigning champ. But don't underestimate the power of Apple Siri, gracefully taking the third position in this prestigious lineup. In fourth place, we have Microsoft Cortana, a true powerhouse of productivity. With its deep integration with Microsoft products, Cortana effortlessly helps you manage your calendar, send emails, and even draft documents. And last but certainly not least, we have Samsung Bixby, securing the 5th spot on our list. With continuous advancements in AI and machine learning, we can look forward to voice assistants becoming even more intuitive, proactive, and personalized. They will adapt to our preferences, learn our habits, and offer suggestions tailored to our unique needs and interests. The future holds endless possibilities as we embark on a journey where voice assistants become true companions, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell so you do not miss our awesome content. Like this video and leave us a comment below. We are dying to hear your thoughts, witty banter, and maybe even some jokes. Get ready to witness the magic unfold as we kickstart our voice assistant extravaganza with the magnificent Samsung Bixby. You might be wondering, what exactly is Bixby Voice Assistant? Well, let me tell you. Bixby is an AI-powered voice assistant developed by Samsung, designed to make your life easier and more convenient. It is important to note that Bixby is primarily designed for Samsung devices and is deeply integrated into their ecosystem. To access and use Samsung Bixby voice assistants, it is important to check if your Samsung device supports Bixby. Bixby is mostly available on recent Samsung smartphones, tablets, and smart home devices. You can activate it by either pressing the dedicated Bixby button, usually located below the volume buttons on your device, or by using the Voice Wake Up feature. The Voice Wake Up feature allows you to activate Bixby by simply saying, "Hi Bixby," without pressing any buttons. Bixby acts as your personal assistant, allowing you to make calls, send messages, set reminders, and manage your schedule effortlessly. You can simply ask Bixby to call John, send a text to mom, or set a reminder for tomorrow at 9 a.m. Bixby enables you to open apps and perform specific actions within them using voice commands. For example, you can say, "Open gallery and show my vacation photos," or "Play my favorite playlist on Spotify." It allows you to create custom voice commands called quick commands. These commands can combine multiple actions into a single phrase like, "Good night." That turns on the Do Not Disturb mode, sets an alarm for the next morning, and adjusts the screen brightness. Bixby can control various settings and features of your Samsung device. You can ask Bixby to adjust the volume, change screen brightness, toggle Wi-Fi, or even connect with Bluetooth. This hands-free control can be particularly useful when your hands are occupied or when you are unable to physically interact with your device. Also, it can connect with compatible smart home devices, allowing you to control lights, thermostats, cameras, and other IoT devices using voice commands. IoT refer to the various smart devices that can be connected and controlled through the Bixby voice assistant. IoT stands for the Internet of Things, which encompasses a network of physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity that enable them to exchange data and interact with each other. You can say, "Turn off the living room lights," or "Set the temperature." Samsung's Bixby Advanced Voice Assistance capabilities has revolutionized the way we interact with our devices. Its continuous integration with Samsung devices and extensive range of features make it a powerful tool for enhancing productivity and convenience. Bixby's ability to understand natural language and perform a wide array of tasks truly sets it apart. Moving on, let us journey into the territory of Microsoft Cortana. Brace yourself to unlock the boundless potential of productivity with this remarkable voice assistant. What is even more captivating is that Cortana caters to both adults and kids, making it an ideal companion for all ages. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of limitless possibilities as Cortana empowers you to achieve more and embrace the wonders of voice technology. Question: how, when, and where can we use Microsoft Cortana? Well, the great news is that Cortana is available on a wide range of devices, including Windows computers, smartphones, and even smart speakers. Whether you are at home, in the office, or on the go, Cortana is there to assist you. The extraordinary features that sets Cortana apart from the rest is its mind-boggling natural language processing capabilities. This digital marvel possesses an uncanny ability to comprehend your every command and question with a level of conversational finesse that will leave you in amazement. It is like having a linguistic genius residing within your device, effortlessly deciphering your intentions and responding with unparalleled accuracy. Cortana's knack for understanding the intricacies of human language is nothing short of nerdy wizardry, making interactions feel as smooth as a well-optimized algorithm. Microsoft Cortana, a sophisticated voice assistant, has captivated users with its elegance and intelligence. With its seamless integration across Microsoft devices and services, Cortana offers a seamless and intuitive experience. From managing your schedule to providing personalized recommendations, Cortana empowers you to stay organized and efficient. As you embark on your journey to explore other voice assistants, remember the elegance and versatility that Cortana brings to the table. Keep an open mind as you continue your exploration, for the world of voice assistants is vast and ever-evolving. Let the adventure unfold, as you discover new possibilities and embrace the power of voice technology. In third place, allow me to introduce you the exquisite and incomparable Apple Siri. With a touch of elegance and a sprinkle of magic, Siri gracefully dances into our lives, ready to assist and inspire. Like a trusted confidant, Siri's soothing tones and intuitive nature will guide you through the vast realms of knowledge and possibilities. Let your imagination take flight as we embark on a journey with Siri, where dreams become reality and every question finds its answer. Whether you are an Apple enthusiast or simply curious about the latest technological advancements, Siri is here to make your life easier and more enjoyable. With Siri, you can enjoy its remarkable capabilities wherever and whenever you need it. Looking for a great movie recommendation? Simply ask Siri, and it will tap into its extensive database to suggest the perfect film that matches your taste and mood, making your movie night even more enjoyable. On the go, Siri becomes your trusted co-pilot through your vacation schedule, road trip, or Europe backpacking. Take advantage of Siri's hands-free capabilities to make phone calls, get directions, or even send text messages while keeping your focus on the go. An incredible personal assistant that can help you succeed through your day goals and objectives more efficiently. From setting reminders and alarms to creating calendar events and even finding nearby restaurants, Siri has got you covered. Siri's unique ability to understand natural language makes it feel like you are having a conversation with a friend. Just ask Siri a question, and it will provide you with a smart and concise answer instantly. One of the most impressive features of Siri is its seamless integration across all Apple devices. From your iPhone to your Apple Watch and even to your HomePod, Siri is always there to assist you, no matter which device you are using. Hold on to your lightsabers unboxers, because Siri is not just a Jedi master of productivity. It has a built-in sense of humor that is sure to tickle your geeky funny bone. Challenge Siri with a request for a Star Wars joke or an epic sci-fi tale, and get ready to geek out with a laughter warp speed. Now, let us talk about Siri's limitations, but fear not, for even the mightiest superheroes have their kryptonite. Siri's only limitation lies in its ability to fully grasp complex or ambiguous queries. While Siri excels at providing quick and accurate responses to straightforward questions, it may occasionally require more specific instructions for nuanced queries. Nonetheless, Apple is continuously working to enhance Siri's capabilities, ensuring that it remains a reliable and helpful companion on your digital adventures. Siri is not just an ordinary voice assistant. It is like having a cheerful and knowledgeable sidekick right at your fingertips. From helping you cook up culinary wonders to guiding you on your daily tasks, Siri is there to lend a virtual hand and make your life more convenient. And let us not forget about the fun and laughter it brings with its witty jokes and entertaining stories. Go ahead and embrace Siri's magical powers, knowing that it will always be by your side, ready to assist and brighten your day with its delightful charm. That being said, I wish you a happy Siri-ing. Next, and in the second place, we will find the wonderful world of Google Assistant, the AI-powered voice assistant that is here to make your life a breeze. Get ready for a comprehensive exploration of the pros and cons of this incredible digital companion. With Google Assistant, get ready to step into a world of convenience tailored to your needs. Picture this. You are a teenager navigating into the ups and downs of life. You might need someone to turn to for advice or a shoulder to lean on. There is when Google Assistant steps in as your reliable companion, ready to provide guidance and support with just a voice command. Whether you are seeking relationship advice, struggling with homework, or simply craving a good chat, Google Assistant is there to lend an empathetic ear and offer helpful suggestions. It is like having a wise and caring friend who is always by your side, cheering you on and providing the support you need to conquer life's most complicated challenges. Traveling to new places? Google Assistant becomes your trusty travel buddy, helping you find the best restaurants, giving you real-time traffic updates, and even translating phrases on the go. Say goodbye to getting lost and hello to stress-free exploration. But it doesn't stop there. Google Assistant is a multitasking powerhouse, ready to help you manage your day effectively. From setting reminders and alarms to creating calendar events and sending messages, it is like having a personal secretary right in your pocket. But wait, there is more. Google Assistant is not just your average multitasker. It is the superhero of productivity, here to help you conquer your day like a boss. With the power to set reminders that never slip your mind, create calendar events with a snap of your fingers, and effortlessly send messages with the speed of a digital ninja, it is like having a trusty personal assistant right there in your pocket. So go ahead, delegate those mundane tasks to Google Assistant and unleash your inner superhero. Finally, we are submerging deep into the world of Amazon Alexa, the voice-controlled assistant that is taking the tech world by storm. Get ready to uncover the extraordinary features that make Alexa the ultimate companion for your smart home and beyond. Prepare to witness the transformation of your home into a realm of unparalleled intelligence and efficiency with the extraordinary power of Amazon Alexa. As you step into each room, imagine the sheer wonder of effortlessly commanding the lights to illuminate your path, orchestrating the perfect ambiance with a mere whisper. Picture the majesty of adjusting the thermostat to create an oasis of comfort, harmonizing the temperature with your desires. Behold, the power to safeguard your sanctuary with a regal decree, locking the doors with a simple utterance, ensuring your domain remains secure. With its unrivaled popularity, Amazon Alexa reigns supreme as the choice of champions in the realm of smart home technology. Its seamless integration with a vast array of devices and systems bestows upon you the authority to orchestrate your kingdom with utmost ease and grace. Become the hero of your household, transforming your living space into a haven of futuristic convenience, where the boundaries of possibility are shattered by the might of voice command. And in the realm of sports, Alexa's prowess extends beyond the confines of your castle. Picture the exhilaration of sitting on your throne, summoning Alexa to provide real-time updates on your favorite teams, their scores resounding through the air like the triumphant roar of a crowd. With Amazon Alexa as your loyal ally, victory is never out of reach, as you stay connected to the exhilarating world of sports, transcending boundaries and embracing the spirit of competition. Behold the power of Amazon Alexa, the guardian of your home's intelligence, the maestro of convenience, and the herald of technological marvels. Let its majestic presence inspire you to embrace the limitless possibilities that lie within your reach. Unleash the magic of voice control and embark on a journey where your home becomes an enchanting wonderland, where your every desire is fulfilled with a mere utterance. Welcome to the era of smart living, where Alexa reigns supreme and your home becomes an epicenter of majesty and convenience. We have delved into the captivating world of AI voice assistants, experiencing the wonders and envisioning the future it holds. From Siri to Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and beyond, these digital companions have become an integral part of our lives, transforming our homes, streamlining our tasks, and bringing entertainment and joy with a simple voice command. And there you have it, fellow tech enthusiasts. We have explored the incredible world of AI voice assistants, uncovering the wonders and envisioning the future it holds. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community here at TechUnboxedMx. Share your thoughts and insights in the comment section below. We love to hear from you. Remember, by subscribing, you will not miss out on any of our future adventures into the realm of amazing technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep unboxing the wonders of tech.